A thought about baby birds, baby bird, you're a baby bird.
Hi, I'm a baby bird. You can't see me yet because I'm inside an egg. I have to hatch it myself. Oh, my life really sucks. I'd rather be born and then get spanked by a doctor like normal people. Ugh, my feathers are all wet. Ugh, ugh, it hurts. Ugh. Oh, I almost fell because I was born 10 feet above the ground. Why am I not normal? Ugh. Oh no, here comes the vomit. Why doesn't my mom have breasts? Ugh, ugh, ugh. Oh no, oh, I think I died. I died and went to heaven. Well, I'm gonna check out that Mets game. I heard it's gonna be great. I like popcorn. Ugh.